Okay, this is my first part of this Snake Mountain repair and restoration. See, I have a mic, two mics here, one with that, one like this, and one like this. Fortunately, I don't know which mic is gonna work. But for starters, step one, better take a battery, put it in here. Obviously it works. Funny thing is, it sounds like it wants to pick something up. Alright. Let's see what happens if we put no, nothing. Okay, let's try. Nope. Okay, so now we know we need to splice the some wires together. Now, this is currently the condition of his sticker. Not very good, but I do have a replacement decals already. So, since we already have this taken care of, this end, like split like this. Now, unless we take this apart, it looks like we won't be able to do anything with this. And I don't know how if I can even get it apart. Nope, can't get that one apart. Which leaves our next option to take care of this. And to do that, we need to take these. Just enough to do that. Gotta strip the wire. If you had wire strippers, that'd probably be a good idea. And that may not have worked just right. I'm not sure if that worked right or not. How does it look? Use the camera here to get a good look. No, still not sure. But there's one way to find out. Well, first, gotta okay, well, that's connected. A, 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 nope. So, A, nope. That ain't working. That ain't working, nope. So, gotta try something else. Obviously, this is not correct. So, gotta do it differently. Alright. Now I think I'll get some wire cutters and try it do it the right way. Okay, I got this like this now. Now let's see if I can hook these together correctly. And then it's good to have a little cap. Alright, now let's find out. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, 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 hey. Oh, still only static. So obviously that's not enough. What I did doesn't work. I ended up not getting wire strippers because of damn. Gotta be careful when doing this. And I found it easier with the off camera. So just alright, let's see now. See how I got more this one and this one together. Damn it, came undone. Suppose it might work if I just put them all to... Yeah, I need more slack on that. Okay, after some trial and error, I've got this working. Unfortunately, I can't use the cap. Now let's see if the cap can work when the wire is extended. Nope. Oh. So I'm gonna have to find another way to make sure that stays connected. So when all else fails, try some tape. Now let's see if I can use the cap. Alright. So you never want to have it up too loud, because when you turn up all the way, you get that squealing. So yeah, it took me a while, as you can see. I ended up bypassing this piece, which I think may have been the problem the whole time. So I think now I'm gonna add some paint to the microphone head. This is how it looked before. Now for a good look after. Also, when I got this, I did get old screws for it, so that's a plus. If you can find one with the actual factory screws. Now take a look at it with the paint, some paint job. Okay, here it is, nice and with a nice little paint job on the face there. See, I painted in the teeth, the nose, painted in with some metallic stoplight red, and the original red on the eyes shows through to look real menacing. Alright, so this has been fixing the speaker and microphone. Next I'll be doing cleaning of the Snake Mountain. Thanks for watching.